Today we copy a style. It was an edge case where someone was not able to get this style, so this is a really difficult style to get in midjourney. Therefore, a perfect case for a tutorial, because tutorials don't do the easy stuff. They do the hard stuff, so you have it easier understanding. First, I took this image into a reverse image search with Google and found some more or less similar images and uploaded them all in midjourney. The last two are not really what I want, but good enough. And this is the main image I want. I copied the link from all of them and placed it in a prompt. Now I wrote what I want. A dog outside of a house, in this case, as good as anything else. And I seeded it just to make the test better comparisons wise. You don't want seed, you don't need seed, ignore seed. It is just to make the images easier to compare with the slight differences. But this failed. It is not the style, obviously. So we change things and we add dash dash stylize 10 and dash dash style raw. Stylize is the first beautify of midjourney. The stylize 100 is the default. Stylize 0 is often used to make midjourney listen better. But I prefer Stylize 10, it got a little bit midjourney magic. Style Raw also removes midjourney magic and makes it listen to the prompt better. And it looks better, but we are not there, not even close. So we alter the prompt again. This time we add : 10. This weights the first image, the important one we want, at 10 times the strength. If I don't write something on the image, it defaults to : 1. And the last images we make : 0.5. That way they are weaker, because those are the colorful ones, not really in the style. And this gives us that. It looks better again, but not really as good. Now you also see the style feature, the seed reason, better comparison for really small changes. But now we have to alter it again. And this time we use words to describe the image. How does it look like? Gray. How does it look like? Creepy. And comic. Let's use those. So we wrote gray, old comic and creepy. Suddenly it worked. Now we have to test, was it really necessary to weight those images? Yes, it was. This is the only benefit of seed. You know if stuff works and if you really need it. Because, yeah, this looks better and more like the style. This is a little bit more off. But I guess it depends. Now we take the best image, upscale it and get what we want. Oh, and of course we can also test other stuff. However, since a cute cat girl Neko is something the style really is not comfortable doing, you have to re-roll a lot of them and make a lot of them to get something. So if your style fights whatever you want to depict, you have to fight hard. But this one looks close-ish. So yeah, just get lucky. And here we got a winner. If you got an edge case like that, you can't use image weights because those images here prevent image weights. You can't use both at the same time. You would have to remove those. And remove the seed. Like this here is already the seed removed because you want something different. And now we wrote dash dash IW. This is image weight. 1 is the default. 1.666. Oh, it's a creepy image. It needs a creepy number. And now it starts again. The image weight will take more data from the images. However, that will also mean that the other stuff will be more prevalent, like the people there or the houses. And since, yeah, you see it already, since they are not this rated stronger anymore, it got more colors as well. But it got way closer to the style. And you see those borders, they are really dominant with the higher image weight, especially because all images are longer. Because the image we make and the image we gave Midjourney did not have the same size comparison. But just change it with every region. You should know how to do that. Have fun!